Any key audit matters in the independent auditor's report. Key audit matters were those matters in the auditor's professional judgment were the most significant in audit of financial statements of the current period, and these matters were selected from the matters which are communicated with those charged with governance. The purpose of key audit matter is to enhance the communicative value of the auditor's report by enhancing the greater transparency that audit was performed and give additional information to the intended users about the understanding the entity and the areas of significant areas in the auditor's professional judgment. And communicating key audit matter is not a substitute for auditor modifying the opinion. It's not a substitute for a disclosure in the financial statement. It's not a substitute or it's not a separate opinion on the individual matters. And communication of key audit matter is not a substitute for communicating a material uncertainty related to going concern of the entity. And applicability of the key audit matter is for a listed entity when the circumstances the auditor decided to issue a key audit matter, or when the law or regulation requires communication of key audit matter. And a prohibition on communicating a key audit matter: when an auditor disclaims an opinion on the financial statement, he should not communicate a key audit matter. And the factors for determining a key audit matter in the auditor's professional judgment, and these matters which are communicated with those charged with governance, and in the auditor's judgment that the matters which taken a significant auditor's attention during an audit. The factors to be kept in mind while deciding a key audit matter are the significant areas having higher risk of material misstatement, the significant areas identified as per SA 315, and those matters which involve significant auditor's judgment in the financial statement relating to the management judgment about the accounting estimates, high estimation uncertainty, and the significant events and transactions occurred during a period. The examples of key audit matters for impairment of losses, provision of contingencies and events, and valuation of the financial instruments, revenue recognition matters, provision for taxation, such like that matters. This is an inclusive list. And certain matters not to be communicated a key audit matter when the law precludes such disclosure of the matter as a key audit matter, or when the auditor's opinion that the communication of key audit matter will have adverse consequences, or the communication of such matter is very confidential and is very sensitive, then the auditor shall not communicate such matter as a key audit matter.